eyes are
Any news on the...
There it is. Right
Oh, wow! Woo! Woohoo! Oh, look at that. So Jim, you get a quarter.
I think it's going to do the same.
Is it gonna do the second bird thing?
Yeah, it's supposed to be the second bird. There's a little flash. It turns on for a second or so and then turns back on. Right up there.
What?
There you go.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So wait, why does it look like there's something hanging from it? Is it?
There's a thin cloud, it's just like around the moon, but I don't see the hanging stuff.
Is it in space yet?
Well, yes, I would say by now. I think it's
So is there going to be a third stage, or is this thing just going to get fainter and fainter and disappear?
It starts coming down, going down. It's actually going farther and farther away. So it gets fainter and fainter, and also goes down toward the horizon. Those diagrams show it going all the way down to the horizon.
Oh yeah, I think it's starting to go down. It's not climbing.
I think it lasts 2.5 minutes.
Oh, it just went out.
Oh, yeah, without a third stage, or that's the I forgot behind the clouds.
Okay, I'm ready to go.